Alright, back from the phone call. Set that to the side. We got to get the front half now. And we have to change the forward only primary gear. So what we're going to do is take a little screwdriver. We're going to pop this retaining spring out right here. Just like so. Then there's a pin that goes through here that we're going to push out. Like that. Then we'll take the forward only primary gear off. And we have to put the new gear on. Line the holes up. The kit comes with a new pin and new retaining spring. Slide it through. Grab the retaining spring. What I'm going to do is put one side in. Then I'm going to take the needle nose pliers and help pull it on around. Put it in the other side. And then I just want to take my needle nose pliers and put a little pressure on it just to make sure it's secure in there. Now we have that. Now we can put the two halves together. You don't want to tilt the back half up too much because the gears and all that stuff will fall out. We want to start putting it together. Making sure all the shafts go through all the bearings. You have to kind of play with this brake disc to keep it from binding up. Just keep working everything together. Making sure nothing's binding. Make sure these gears are going together inside. And it all just snaps together. Like so. Now what we have to do is put all the 7 screws back in that go around. And there's one, I'm going to put one in right here. Then there's one I want to show you. Which is this one. It has a different screw. It's for the air cleaner bracket, which goes right behind the brake. The brake lever. Put it in. You'll notice how it wraps around the transmission piece right there. Tighten it down. Put one in the bottom. There's that springy gear in there, that springy washer that we put in a while ago. That holds it apart a little bit until you put your screws in. Tighten it all up. springy washer I was talking about goes between your forward primary and your reverse primary. Shift fork works.